Lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to create new secure agent using IICS. So here this is the second lecture is there. So first this is selected organization. Let's go on this run environment. Then you can create this all. Okay, Informatica cloud hosted. This is currently running. And first here you need to click on this download secure agent. So currently I'm using Windows 64-bit operating system, and this you need to select this all. Let's copy. So this is here, install token is there. After that, the next is click on this download. Here you can see the file is now 143 MB is there. Click on this start download. So file is now downloading, and this is SN64 install NZ exe file, executable file is there. Now file download completed. Let's click on this open, and install anywhere is preparing to install. So this page you can see here. This is the location. See program files Informatica Cloud Secure Agent. And if you want, then you can choose a different location. So let's click on next. And this is here product name. This all. This is our disk size. Let's click on this install button. So currently this is installing Informatica Cloud Secure Agent in your local system. And this done here. And here you can see secure agent is has not been registered, so you need to give your email ID, and let's give the email ID first. And this location you need to paste the token. So install token, whatever the you copied, you need to paste there. After that, click on this register. So secure agent is starting up. After, let's refresh that. Now you can see there is another secure agent is there that I just created. If I click on this, so you can see this is asset that I created just, and mass integration. This is starting up, enable, and Y connected data integration server. So this is now starting. It takes some times there. After waiting few second times and refreshing this page, here you can see all the secure agent services currently running. So this is the detail, and mass integration, OI, data integration, common integrations component, this all are running. So this is the way we can create here this new secure agent using IICS. Okay, so this is the second lecture. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.